yaseGoli ithi yaqhubeka imizamo yokuqinisekisa ukugcinwa kokuhlinzekwa ngamanzi kulandela imbhikisho yezakhamuzi zaseWestbury naseCoronation ebezikhala ngokugqoza kwamanzi osekudonse isikhathi eside.
Our teams are working round the clock to ensure that we are able to provide water in this area. Yes, there are plans that Joburg Water is putting in place to respond to this area so that the Alexandria Reservoir does not continue to give us problems and challenges into the future.
Morero uxwayise ngokuxhunywa kwamanzi ngokungemthetho nathi lokho kukhinyabeza uhlelo lokuhlinzeka ngamanzi nengqalasizinda.
We try from time to cut off illegal connections, and I think to a large extent the cut-offs do help us a lot in maintaining the water supply.
Inkampani ephakela ngamanzi iJoburg Water ithi sazoqhubeka nohlelo lwayo lokuvala amanzi ngesikhathi zasebusuku kuziphehla imanzi esithwele kanzima kuze kube uhlelo lokuhlinzeka ngamanzi lubuyela esimeni.
This is the process that we are going to do until the system is stable, and also at the same time until we get to that point where some of the quick intervention that we're busy with, issues like refurbishment of our PRV and so on, up to a point where they've gained traction, and at the point that they're assisting us really to bring the demand down.
Imeya Morero ithi ziyaqhubeka izinhlelo zokungenelela ukuqinisekisa ukuthi zonke izakhamuzi zithola amanzi.